Check whether your door hardware can be forced open by testing weak points and inspecting fasteners and metal wear. Start by evaluating the lock type and strike plate attachment. Remove the interior trim if possible, and verify that the strike plate is attached to solid framing with at least 3-inch screws that penetrate the stud. Short screws into just the door jamb and not the framing allow the latch to pull free. Examine the strike plate for elongation, bending, or thin stamped steel that can be deformed by a shoulder or kick impact. Check the deadbolt itself for full throw into a properly aligned strike pocket. Anything less than 1-inch engagement is a vulnerability. Test for lateral and rotational play by applying force at the knob, lever, and deadbolt edge while watching for movement of the latch relative to the door jamb. Play often indicates worn internal components or loose mounting. Inspect the door and frame edges for ground down or thinned metal around the lock or latch where tools or repeated forced entry attempts could create pry points. 3 common mistakes are assuming the factory strike plate and screws are sufficient, not addressing door jamb integrity, and ignoring handle or knob looseness that masks bigger failures. Many people leave the original thin stamped strike that came with the lock, which bends under impact, replace it with a heavy-duty strike and long screws that reach the stud. Homeowners often overlook the condition of the jamb, which can be split or rotted, reinforce it with a jamb repair kit, or install a metal reinforcement plate. Finally, loose knobs or levers get tightened, but the underlying mounting holes may be stripped. Remove the hardware, inspect for stripped screw holes, and repair with wood filler or longer screws into the framing before reattaching. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and compare options for upgrades like reinforced strikes, door reinforcement kits, and thicker doors. Our site also helps contractors find work and join project discussions, and we host a discussion community where members share installation tips, product experiences, and local recommendations.